We're now going to learn how to convert our date times into periods. So a period in pandas is a special data type unique to pandas, and it represents an entire period of time. So the entire month of June 2012 can be considered a period, just like the entire period or entire year 1998, or even just the entire minute June 11th, 2011 at 12:34 p.m. So periods differ from date times because date times represent a moment in time with nanosecond precision. There's just one specific, almost infinitesimally small moment. They do have, some precision, but periods have a start and an end. Like the Renaissance period of time in, history. So that's kind of a good way of thinking of it. They're a literal period of time. All right, so let's take a look here on how to do this. You need to use it with an offset alias. So there is you do .dt .to period, and you have to give it some period of time, and you give it the offset alias. So we can convert this to months, so capital M. So now we're just giving the month part, but what this means, this corresponds to the entire month of June in 2013. I'll assign it to some variable PER for period. You can see the data type over here is a period. All periods have this offset alias, so M for month. So when we're dealing with months, you could have done a period of days or even an hour, right? So this is the whole hour of 19 o'clock at June 28th, 2013. All periods have a start and end time. So you can also use the DT accessor with periods. It is different. So it's not the same exact attributes and methods as a date time. But so I'm just going to show a couple of them. You can go to the official documentation over here. Let's bring it up so you can see the period properties. I only list a few of them, so there's actually more. I'm not sure why they don't list them all here, but that's what it's showing right now. So, one thing you can do is you can get the start time. This will return a date time object, right? So we're getting the start time. You can also get the end time. So it's the very last nanosecond right before the end. And for now, this is just the hour. So we can see the start is at the very beginning of 1900 o'clock. And this is at 1959, 59 seconds. And then, all of these nines for nanoseconds. So the very, very last moment of that hour. Okay, so that is the period object. Again, there's more material on this in the time series section of the course.